Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to dispute a credit reporting error with Credit One. So it's going to be a really quick video. Let's not waste any time. Let's get straight into it. So the first thing you're going to do is to review your credit report and identify the error. So once that's done, you're going to need to gather evidence to support the dispute. Next, you're going to contact Credit One's customer support to initiate the dispute. And next, you're going to provide the required information and the evidence that you've gathered before to support the dispute. Once you have all of that presented, you just got to wait for Credit One to review and respond to the dispute. And you can review and understand the dispute resolution process and all. And you can consider setting up Credit One's reporting alerts, because that's going to help you to make the reporting much easier. And you should also contact the customer support if you have any issues again, or if there's anything that you don't quite understand. They're going to help to clarify that. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to dispute a credit reporting error with Credit One. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.